Ever tried to understand blockchain and ended up more confused than before? What if I said the secret to finally getting it involves dancing penguins? Welcome to Economic Intelligence. Today, blockchain, simplified with penguins. Let's waddle in. Meet Centralized Penguin HQ. One big boss penguin controls all the fish. If the boss hoards fish or lies about counts, every penguin loses. So how can penguins trust fish counts without trusting a single boss? Enter the blockchain. Every fish trade is a transaction. See these dancing penguins? Each dance move equals a transaction. Group a few moves together? That's a block. Blocks link in order. Older blocks at the tail, newest at the head. That's literally a chain of dance moves recorded in time. To add a new block, a minor penguin must solve a tricky dance puzzle. That's proof of work. It's hard to cheat because everyone else checks the move. If a bad penguin tries to change a past block, they'd have to redo all the dance puzzles after it, across everyone's copies. That's expensive and basically impossible. Now imagine every penguin holds a copy of the full dance history. If one slips, the rest keep the record safe. That's decentralization. Because all penguins can check the ledger, everyone can verify fish trades without trusting a single boss. Beyond fish, think secure voting, tracking supply chains, or protecting digital art. The penguin idea scales. Recap: transactions to blocks, miners secure the chain, and distribution and verification keeps things honest. If you got a light bulb moment, like and subscribe to Economic Intelligence. Want smart contracts or DeFi explained by penguins next? Tell us below.